I got a fun one for you today, folks. The Elegoo Centauri carbon. This is, I'm going to say, this is not Elegoo saying this. I'm going to say this is the knockoff of the X1 carbon from Bamboo Labs. It's got a lot of very similar specs. Not identical, very similar though. How about this? I have not broke the seal yet. We're going to cut this box open. I'm going to get all the stuff and set it up here. I'm going to put it beside the Elegoo Neptune 4. That is sitting right here. I made room. I think it's going to fit here. So I'm going to unbox it and then I'll move the camera and I'll assemble it with you watching so you can see what the assembly process looks like. We're going to learn this together. All right, user manual, user guide. Take out the foam and toolkit from the printer. Oh, neat. More foam. Open the door, make sure we have everything out of the inside. Peel all this off. Unlock the heated bed, and that shows 1, 2, 3 points that we're going to take a small Allen wrench and remove the screws that are holding the bed. And you can see the screws, they have conveniently marked 1, 2, and 3. So let's take those out real quick. And screwdrivers. Three. All right, all 3 of those are out. All right, unlock the heated bed. Number 3, install the touch screen. So we have a ribbon taped up right here, and then we're going to push the touch screen in and down to click into place. Okay, see where I'm pushing that in here. Okay. Now I'll catch the bottom, and then set that in place and down. Connect to the internet, update the firmware before use. I'm going to leave that on to remind me. Device self-check. I assume that means it wants me to plug it in next. This seems to skip a few steps, to be completely honest. Take the top off, unlock, install that. Yes, we've done that. So the other thing it mentioned is putting in the filament holder. We'll do that in a second. And then load the filament. Seriously, the setup on this is super, super easy. The filament holder is right here. And it looks like it just goes in and twists. And that's locked in place. Power supply is going to plug in the back there. There are lots of little things in here that I did not see mentioned in the instructions. Maybe because they figure, if you're smart enough to buy it, then you can figure these things out. Like, I didn't even see anything about plugging it in, so obviously we know we need to plug it in. I know this cardboard has to come off. There's a piece of foam back here. Let's see if I can get that out. There we go. Do I see anything else? No, it's pretty clean in here. A nice little print head assembly. Our print bed is smooth on one side and textured on the other. I like that we've got some little plastic to catch it so that you can get it aligned perfectly on the first try. Let's walk through the initial setup together real quick here. We want English. We'll confirm that. Use the X key to remove the 3 screws shown in the image. 1, 2, 3. We've already done that. Ensure the chamber is free from foreign objects. All right. right, I don't see anything in there. Let's confirm that. Self-check. Place the build plate correctly with side A facing up. The process is expected to last for 30 minutes. Okay, is this side A? Okay, yes, it says A back here. So we are on side A. We'll hit the start button. Device self-check. It's going to run through nozzle heating, heated bed heating, heat break cooling fan, mainboard cooling fan, input shaping, and automatic leveling.